Stay tuned. Good night, everyone.
Good night, everyone.
Good night, everyone. Good night, everyone. Good night, everyone.
The next day.
Wait, did I actually wake up in the dream? Oh, Mommy's still asleep. Where's my toys?
Malapit na ako mag-12 years old. Bali na ako sa shooting.
Yeah. Gotta go to the couch. I'm feeling really, really not feeling
3
good.
years yung vaccination.
What? Why are you
Pwede na kami
here, Lucas?
agad.
I'm not feeling really right now, Daddy. Okay, I'm gonna call your mom. Lucas is sick.
Ba't sabi mo?
Really? Are you joking? No, I'm not seriously joking. Oh my God, is he really sick? Yeah, he's really sick on the couch. Look over there.
May rabies tayo.
Wala na yung rabies kasi nagpaturok na tayo.
Huh?
Are you feeling okay? Yeah, Daddy. I just want to rest. We gotta wake up Lindsay. Let's go to the doctor and see what's happening.
Diba sila?
Okay?
Start.
Okay, but I don't want to get a shot again. It'll be just a pinch.
Lahat sila mo. Sayang si Milk. Maganda sana.
Lindsay, Lily, time to wake up. And Lucas is sick. We have to go to the doctor right now. On a field trip
Sana maka-survive sila.
or the doctor? I'm gonna see the doctor.
Birthday na nila. Ano?
You see that you remember that you have scrunched by a cat.
Valentine.
Yeah, but I don't want to take a shot.
Bilan natin si...
And Lucas too, so we have to go to the
Papalit ka ba
injection. Oh no, I have to go to the injection now because I have rabies. Oh. Come on, it's gonna be okay. Wear your shoes.
Meron pa yan.
Sit right here on your bed. On your own bed. On the living room. Second couch. Okay?
Pwede pa tayo.
I love this good game pattern. I wish I could have many couches I want. Come on, wear your shoes now. Okay. Just don't want to take a shot. Are you feeling okay, Lucas? Yes, I'm feeling okay. It's just that I'm feeling the rabbit scratch again. It's feeling hurt in my head. I'm dizzy. I have to take a shot. Oh, it's okay, Lucas. You're gonna be better. Thank you, Mom. But I want to play with my toys. What will I do?
Mama, alam mo na yung security guard yung binaral yung kasama niya.
It's okay. Mommy, should I sit in that
Kasi lagi daw
because I'm gonna wear my shoes first and I'll go to that. No, you can't wear your shoes on the couch. Okay. I'm making chair before this ends. Now I'm gonna sit. Just relaxing. Are you okay, Lucas? Yes, I'm okay. Okay, stay right there. Gotta wear my shoes. Oh, come on. Daddy's preparing shoes. Let's go. Okay, Mommy. But I don't really want to go to the dentist, Mom. It's very scary to take a shot. You take the shot, right? When you were a baby. You take medicine and everything. And you weren't scared. I think, yeah, you're right. I think you're right. Okay. Okay. Ready. Got ready for the doctor. I'm ready. What are you kids doing? And Lucas, are you feeling okay? Can I sit beside you? Sure, Auntie. Can sit beside me.
Kumain na si Samuel.
Ay, gabi na. Okay. Kids, come right here. Wear your shoes. We gotta go to the car. Oops, we gotta go to the car. Okay. You know what? I'll go sit beside here. Come, kids. Kids. Ugh, they're late again. I'm gonna go now. Ugh. There are my shoes. I feel the wraps too. Ouch, ouch. It's really hurt on my head. It's really hurt my hand. After the dentist is done, can we go to a field trip again, like beach? Of course, beach. It's good for us. Thank you, Mommy. Mommy, I'm ready. I'm ready. You ready, Lucas? Yes, I'm ready. I'm right here standing beside Papa's shoes. Papa. Nawala ko. Sana yun. Kaya tinago mo ba? Yung shoes ng Papa? Hindi ko alam.
Hindi ko alam.
Maglalay ka. Akin na.
Wala yan sa akin. Ano ba yun? Hindi ko alam. Kapatos daw.
Alam ko, dito lang yun eh. Baka nahulog eh.
Hindi ko naman ano.
Hello.
Inumin mo na yung gatas mo.
Asan na?
Ito.
Mainit pa.
Malamig na yan. Tignan mo. Delikatan ko na yan eh.
Ang init pa konti eh.
Eh, para mamainitan yung tiyan mo. Hindi naman yan makakapasok. Pangit naman na yung gatas pag sobrang lamig na.
Lang.
Parang tumatay.
I know someone tago it. You know it.
Hindi ko tinago. Ala, hindi ko tinago.
Ala, andyan. Alam ko dyan.
Wala na.
Tingin sa stadium mo. Tingin sa loob.
Wala na yan kasi.
Tingin sa loob. Hanap ko lang eh. Uy, nagsasmile ka, nakikita ko.
Bakit? Ikaw nga ba mag-smile? Nag-i-smile lang.
Bakit? Bakit ka nag-i-smile?
Bakit?
Ano nakakatawa? Ay, hindi ito. Come on, Lily. Okay, okay, okay. Okay.
Monkey stray.
You see that? Get to my face.
Oh, it's too loud.
That's too loud.
Don't be rude.
Okay, sorry.
I'm gonna sit right here. My shoes. There we go.
Why are you just sitting over there, Lindsay? Well, I don't have shoes very much. Oh, you don't have shoes. Well, where is it? I know. I should bring my little toy right here at the bed.
Yan, nasa na dyan.
Bakit? Some burgers. And where is he would like a
Ano
drink?
mga laruan?
Kasi ano ako, hindi ako nakakapaglaro dati.
Ano ba?
Puro lang ako trabaho. Kasi pag maglalaro kami, papaloon kami.
You're my toy bin. I'm gonna bring
Kahoy, ganyan
them to the hospital.
Okay, well, I'm gonna wear my shoes though.
Umiyak, umiyak.
ka umiiyak, Goy? Ama, bakit si Goy umiiyak?
Dito lang kami sa bahay.
Bakit di kayo wala?
Trabaho lang kami dito sa bahay. Naglilinis. Nagagawa ng basahan.
Pagkatapos mo magtrabaho, ano
Luluto.
Lily, where are your shoes now?
wala ko
Yeah, I'm gonna get it.
Meron. Mag-utos.
Something's not right. He's not ready for shoes. Lily!
Talaga dati kasi mahirap lang dati. Talag namin. Hindi ganyan. Tapos magbibig pa kami ng tubig doon sa malayo. Ngayon, tubig nyo nandiyan na lang, oh. Maghugas na lang ng plato. Dati magbibig pa kami. Magbibig kami para makapaglaba kami. Tapos ang labag, ano, hindi iiwasin.
I wear my already shoes.
Mahirap po kayo dati.
Okay, great. I'm gonna wear mine.
Jollibee, gulay. Tapos,
bakit ngayon yung
matutulog kami, maaga pa. Maaga rin kami magigising.
bakit
Bawal ang puyat.
mama ngayon yung mayaman na
Eh, siyempre, bagong henerasyon na. Marami nang bago.
Mama!
birthday ko mama bilan niyo ko original na Beyblade kahit di original
Mama!
Kahit hindi original.
Mama!
Ika,
Mama!
order mo nga.
Mama! Mama!
hindi
Mama!
na original
Mama!
Order mo yung hindi original. Na-order
Mama!
mo.
Mama!
Kala ko ba ayaw?
Mama!
pinalitan ko yung
Mama! Sa unang panahon, ayaw ni Jesus na ma-dark yung panahon.
Hmm?
Dark yung panahon.
Magiging dark lang yun pagka ulan.
riding in
Tapos,
tandem.
tapos dito na, 2025, bumago na yung lahat.
Ibig sabihin, papalitin na sa servisyo as military. All your records will be wiped. Kuha ko ito sa loob ng lakay mo.
We have to park to the park now. We have to park to the park now. What was that? Well, it's the worst. Gotta park to the park again.
Lasing ka, Texan. Yun na.
Oh, okay.
Dahil ng legacy. Dahil disappointment.
Emery Dreyfus Muscular Dystrophy. Katulad ng naging sakit ng mama mo.
How long do I have? Hindi ka magsisimula.
Ganun din.
Ako rin. Ako rin.
I found it.
Ako sa inyo.
Here it is. Oh. Here it is.
Where are you? Where you put this?
Wait. Something's not right. Pwede to.
May tanong na.
ang gatas mo. Malamig na.
Ayaw mo reinstate?
Tapos matulog na.
Bakit?
Pero lang daw gusto mo. Anong problema kung pera lang gusto mo? Sabihin mo.
Okay.
Yes.
Are you ready?
Whatever your reason is.
Bye everyone. Bye guys.
Gagawin ko pa rin ang
Bye guys.
para sa iyo.
The clean up water. Bye.
Bye. Oh, we gotta say bye-bye.
Walang extradition arrangement ang gobyerno natin sa pansang huling nakita si Timor. Kayo lang ang pwedeng gumawa niyan. It's verified. Nasa Sardoba siya. Sardoba? Sino yung room? Yes. Maganda kayo. Para pala na maisip ko akas. Timulos.
Nothing. Good.
Hindi ba ako nalinis? Ang tahimik dito, magal! Asan yung ganyan ko? Ingat ka kasi. Tim. Ito mga gagamitin natin. Ito natin ng Sardoba. These phones are laptops. And your new identities. JB, o si Marcos Ocampo. Felipe Tejano. Joshua Gashan. Patricia Rastro. Liam Balbi. Thank you, sir. That's it. Terravia will be our entry and exit point. Tandaan niyo lang, nasa ibang bansa tayo. Kailangan tayo maging mas maingat.
Bye everybody.
Someone me.
Oh no. It's a big swoopler.
I'm about to rendezvous with my contact here. We're home by 1600 hours. Send you my location.
Uy, the pa, boys. Ibig sabihin, pwede ka pa mag-sightseeing yan dito. Saan mo naman yung forma natin? Mamaya, dito ko na baka natin mapapangasawa. Sabay kami kakain ng
Dito excursion, Tomas.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
Christoph, kamusta? Fine. How are you, Frank? Good. How's your day? I have a new tea.
Everyone, bye. Bye
Why?
everyone. Why is it clean of ice? Clean of water again?
Vroom, 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 vroom. Look at everyone. Vroom, vroom. Everyone fun. Bye bye for part 2.